Hi guys, so now I'll show you this Zenit E camera that I have. This is the front, this is one side, this is the other side, this is the top, and this is the back, and this is the bottom. So notice that the light meter is not working, and somehow the back, how to say, somehow the, I'm not sure what can see through I'm not sure is it normal. Oh, that means the light is going through I really hope not. But let's see. Let's see if the light can go through the... But no, there's no... It's not connected to this compartment. So I think it should be fine. Gonna test a shutter speed. So now it's 500. Okay, 500 works. 250. 250 works. 125. 125 works. 60. 60 works. 30. 30 works. Bulb mode. Oh no, bulb mode is lazy. But 30 works so the shutter speeds are working, just that on the bulb mode it's a bit lazy, but it still works, it still closes down. Just that need to wait a while. So yeah. Can you wind it? You want to speed it up, you wind it lah. Maybe after a few use you'll actually get better, hopefully. I heard from a friend that when you have these kind of cameras, if you don't use it after a while, you need to fire the thing periodically, like once every few months or what, to make sure that the lubricants are, how to say, well maintained inside the camera, something like that. So there you go, this is the camera that I'm gonna sell. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you for drawing by lah. Thanks. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. Oh, and one thing I forgot to show is the viewfinder. I'm really sorry, the viewfinder is dirty. So you need to find someone to clean if it's possible. So yeah. Thanks.